How do I know which Windows I'm using? Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you 2 ways to find out which Windows version you're running on your PC or laptop. Like these kinds of videos? We've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, hit like, I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright folks, let's get started. First method, go to the search bar and type System. The System option will appear. Click Open. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the Windows version. Mine's Windows 10 Home Single Language. I'm using version 22H2. If that's tricky, here's a quicker method. Go back to the search bar and type CMD. Just CMD, that's it. This is the command prompt. Click Open. Type in this quick code, WinVer. That's Windows version, WINVER. Hit Enter. Your Windows version will pop up. Same deal, folks. Windows 10 Home Single Language. That's the version I'm using too. Which method did you use? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. See ya.